Hello there and welcome to Chris All Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget, smash the like button and subscribe and share the hell out of this channel. I do appreciate it. We are growing nicely and we've got lots and lots more bikes to come in and that are already in that I need to video for you guys. So let's start the ball rolling. We've got the 1978 Suzuki GT50. Lovely little bike this, really is. I'm looking forward to starting it up, filling the building with some two-stroke. In fact, I think that's what we might do this morning. Let's get the shop smelling like it should do. So yeah, like I say, 1978 Suzuki GT50 in the beautiful white with the blue, speedo showing 11,800 miles on the clock. Completely standard bike, apart from it's fitted with a 70 big bore kit. Now you folks out there of a certain generation will know fully all about those and the benefits and not benefits of having that done. But what a nice looking little 50. They've got sitting in anyone's off-road collection nicely, that. I'm going to put the camera down in a minute and we'll just do a quick start up. But like I say, what I might do is just start up and leave it running for a bit, because that way I fill the building up with beautiful two-stroke smoke. And who doesn't like that? So yeah, before I start it and leave it running for a bit, we'll do the prelim. So we can offer nationwide or international delivery on this vehicle. Finance, touch and go, but we can certainly have a go for you. The bike, tax and test exempt, 1978, don't need it. So just insure it, which won't be a lot for anybody to insure that. And away you go. No, what a nice little bike that is. Obviously your discretion with regards to informing the DVLA that it's a 70cc and not a 50. But yeah, nice little bike that. Lovely little bike. So I'm going to start her up and then I'm going to leave it running for a bit just to fill up the room with two-stroke. Might not be good for the lungs, but it's good for the soul. Just get down there and show you this side of the vehicle. Yeah, but what a nice little, it's so small this bike, it's unbelievable, it's tiny. I reckon I could pick that up, put it in the back of the car. So yeah, if you've got any questions on this vehicle, you can email me, chrisallmotorcycles@googlemail.com, or you can call us on 01302 760 967. Alternatively, if you do want to come down and look at the bike in person, you're more than welcome. But as I keep reiterating over and over again, please, please, please drop me a call before you come to look at the vehicle, just to make sure it's in stock and available for your good selves. And it'll allow me to get the kettle on. So without further ado, let me start this two-stroke machine, fill up the building with some smoke, and then we can enjoy the beautiful smells all day. So unfortunately on this one, you're going to get the back end of me in it, which not so I'm a fan of, but let's just pull out the kickstand, turn the fuel on, a little bit of choke, put it into check this out as well that we've just picked up. Sorry to interject, I'm going to leave that running, fill up the room full of two-stroke smoke, because we love it, why wouldn't we? Just look at this beautiful thing we just picked up as well. Suzuki RG80. Oh, let me zoom out for you. So yeah, it's got a little RG80 there. Video coming soon on that one. Watch this space. Alright guys, I'm going to sign out of here. That's almost full, need to go and turn that off. And Have a good day, stay safe, and see you soon. Cheers.